Hi friends, right now I came back and I wanna speak something about suppose you did your engineering in 2013, right, and 2014, 2015 and 2016, 2017, whatever. And suppose you have been chasing your dreams, means you have to get a good rank in gate examination and still you're not getting right. So you might be little apprehensive means about your career, either what should be means what should be after, right. Suppose you're doing anything and you are lagging behind, and number of engineering candidates are means each year getting incremented, so you might be having a lot of chaos and confusion in your mind, right. So, and just because of that, uh, you might be pushing your complete worry to have your your worry might be getting steeper and steeper, means the curve, if you see, uh, you versus worry, right. So it might be getting steeper. So let me add few things. Suppose you complete your engineering in 2013 and you are means unable to crack gate examination or ESC examination or any kind of separate PSU's examination. Just if your age is below 26, right, just keep preparing for these examination and try to solve number of test series, because test series, if you're perfect in all fundamental, and the basic mistake you are committing is the not you're not attending honestly test series, whatever test series are there, right. So because in my case as well, I have been I'm quite okay in all concepts, right, and even I can say I'm very proficient in all subjects, because since I did my engineering, I have been preparing for GATE examination and ESC examination. Though I was not preparing for ESC examination, but I met a lot of friends. And in the beginning, when I was in engineering, I was not having any idea what will be future, because those days we used not to foresee our future, right, and we had no idea, because being coming from village kind of area, there is no idea, just we joined engineering, and because there was a myth like that, yeah, if you means there was lot of name engineering, once you had maths in your 11 12, just go for engineering and math, and if you have had opted that biology, just go for MBBS and all, just prepare for PMT. But PMT was not our cup of tea, and JE was also not our cup of tea those days, because we had no idea, because we were studying in vernacular medium, okay, and that syllabus was also not that much complicated, just to get through any examination, means that board examination, it was quite easy. But coming to engineering, we joined some a local institute, right, but that institute, though I'm not gonna criticize about my institute, because I took my graduation dinner from there, but it was quite amazing, means they gave us a degree, right, one of the bachelor degree they gave us, so that we could stand some chances to prepare for these kind of examination, because like we were in that area where we can't imagine, because where we had no idea about what's happening in India, right, and what's happening in the world. So coming out from the area where you born, right, and if once you got a chance to interact with the different masses, means a lot of candidates who are aspiring for biggest dream, right, who are seeing the dream and wanna come true. So you get an idea, means you can get an idea, so you could also start chasing a dream. It is not late, that tad late. Once you start chasing a dream, that point is just an initiation. That determines to what to what attitude you will achieve, means what attitude your attitude gonna decide. So my idea is here, just keep focusing on your fundamental first. And just first, suppose you have no idea about any subject, just take previous year question paper, try to solve it, means try to see the solution as well in the beginning and get an idea. Once you get an idea, right, just read any book, take any book you can find, right, and watch those video in YouTubes. And even I can suggest, if you don't have money enough, right, everyone belongs from middle class family, and lots of problem is in their home already. People who belongs from general category, they have to spend a lot of money in their engineering, right, so they don't get enough finance. So if they are unable to join coaching class, also in coaching classes what happens, see, if you're not quite okay in basics now, you can't understand what that means, the pace at which they teach us right now. If you haven't watched any time NPTEL lecture, I can guarantee you, once you go for that coaching centers and all, you will not be having to grasp, to grip on any, means you will be getting clue, okay, and you will getting thinking like that, okay, getting a clue, rest is algebra, right, you will be more motivating yourself. But the most and foremost important, most and the vital part in our life is that just watch. If you want to dive yourself in the great height of engineering field, just watch NPTEL lecture, make short notes, attend test series, which is very important, and don't what we can say, just discover the diamond inside you. Just leave Facebook and WhatsApp for certain months and see, because recently BSNL JTU declared its means published its merit list. I have seen lot of guys whose data was 1990, 1979, 88, like that. They have got a chance, means they were pretty consistent, no matter from which category they belong, but they, after all, they got settled in their life, means they got one job, direct job, right? So preparing for GATE examination is not a sin. People will mislead you in your life, and people will think man has passed in 2013, 2015, like that. They always try to demotivate you, but don't get demotivated by anyone. Just always keep patience in you, wait and watch, means once you get a rank, you will be having ample amount of opportunity in your life, and you can everything will be okay. So keep preparing, join any college you get, right, and have wonderful vision. Don't join any Facebook and all, because in Facebook you will see lot of guys are there, they're putting their result. In my case, I'm not getting disheartened because they're my friend, right, and I know my potential. Just try to know your potential first, and you will go in any organization, means suppose you join any college as well, people would criticize about you, means if you are preparing, because they are not preparing, right? So my basic suggestion will be, don't get disheartened, just keep yourself away from all these things. Your relative will be there, they will be always asking, have you got a job and all, but they will not think about their children, right? So one thing is also, let me tell you, money is not everything. Just chase your passion, chase your dream, right, and never give up. Even a person says, man, you are preparing and all, right, that, and they try to demoralize you, but don't think even what the hell they are talking. Just leave them apart, say them, just mind your business. Just you keep preparing and keep studying about the basics, right, and watch lot of video lectures available on YouTube, and solve mathematics, English, improve your English, right, and get a good result, and appear in all examination you see, means like ISRO, BEL, BARC, apart from GATE examination. and cover ESE syllabus, and not only cover GATE syllabus, because nowadays all PSUs are recruiting. Suppose some PSUs are not via GATE examination, so you will have to, like recently on July 2 on BL examination will be there, so you need to cover ESE syllabus, solve all previous question of ESE, right? So then you can get through. Even if there is a number of, for electronics and communication, 33 is a big number, right? Because nowadays as far as the unemployment is concerned and government jobs are concerned, so my point is that's why today means I had an idea, means I must prepare one video tonight in the midnight, as I am unable to sleep today. Just never think about anyone, just keep neglecting those those guys who always try to demotivate. I have found in my life as well, my friends always demotivate me, but I don't care, because I have to follow my passion. I love to follow my passion. That's why I just become passionate, and talk the same language, right? And always, stay away from those guys who are just a element of distraction and the disturbance. And okay, don't think about your friends as well. They have got good rank and you're not getting it. Also it might dishearten you sometimes. Just think about yourself, strategize, and don't ask the strategy as well, right? Just implement your strategy, and you can ask from your friends who are topper some general query, but don't ask the questions and all, right? You just read certain books, find the solution, manual solutions are available, and try to learn from them, right? Lot of things are there, man. Just go through and get through, okay? And don't waste your single second, right? Because time hota nahi, nikalna padta hai. This is my primary suggestion to all aspirant of GATE 2018, including me as well. Just join any college as well, so that you will be getting 12,400 rupee, so you can also enjoy a lot. Means, because suppose you got qualified in GATE exam, what was my primary mistake? I got qualified early, but I thought of preparing again, taking a drop. But I haven't found myself, I will be in a position to get a rank. So I joined NIT, right? So just join any NITs and all, and prepare, and you will get a stipend. Your life will be easy. You will be independent from the family, so there will not be a pressure of family. So you can prepare properly, you can enjoy as well, just like all guys who are already placed in PSU enjoying their life. So you can also enjoy just like them. And once you get a rank, you can start the life of a career, right? Right now you are studying in academic, so you can enjoy all time, whatever the moment. Just interact with the senior, juniors, PhD scholars and BTech scholars, right? So everyone, just meet different guys and talk different streams. You interact with them, like instrumentation, electrical, solve the questions, right? Okay, thank you all, because the video length is going to be 13, right? So I need to end up session. Thank you all. I will be meeting next. Watch this video, have a gainful insight, listen it, watch it at the end, right? Till the end, I can say. And thank you all. I'm gonna sleep now, so now I'm gonna end up this video. Thank you so much.